Hi, my name is Kimberly Wilkerson, and I am the President of Student Council. Welcome Puma students, parents, and staff. We welcome you all to the Vicenza Middle School Quarter 3 Honor Assembly. We are gathered here today to honor and recognize all the students who have stayed strong throughout Quarter 3 and held their high grades. These students have committed themselves to their grades and are the scholars of their school. So let's recognize these students that have had all A's and B's on the honor roll and all A's on the principal's honor roll. Now please stand for the singing of the national anthem presented by our intermediate and advanced choir.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, came through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
My name is Avia Woodward, and I'm the president of National Junior Honor Society. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Smith, our principal here at Vicenza Middle School, who will now list the students who have maintained their spots on the Principal Honor Roll and the AB Honor Roll.
All right, hey, welcome to the Quarter 3 reading of the names for the Honor Roll, Principal's Honor Roll, and the AB Honor Roll. Cannot let you guys know enough how proud I am in terms of your performance. We have about 250 students here, and about 130 of you have made this honor roll list. And so, excellent work on your part. Please keep up the good work. Hard work does pay off. And so, we're going to start with the principal's honor roll, all A's, starting with the 6th grade. Mariah Janelle Antenta, Jackson Bracey, Alexander Brianas, Mila Butner, Callie Coleman, Michaela Denton, Bianca Doobie, Allison Esposito, Cecilia Fender, Henry Grady, Savion Hughes, Artun Cascalou, Daniel Lohr, Ainsley McLeod, Landon Miguel, Carlos Morales, Olivia Parker, Kaylee Shields, Lucas Sistar, Kamaya Stevens, Rosalind Thomas, Octavian Valku, Fletcher Williams, Brett Woodward. For the 7th grade, Eric Finley, Isabel Green, Naomi John Condez, Sydney Overstreet, Connor Wayne, Kelsey Wayne. For the 8th grade, Peyton Atkinson, Evan Boltman, Caitlin Burgess, Haley Denton, Alinka Gordon, Ivy McLeod, Cecilia Owens, Michaela Slack, Luca Stuttgart, Malak Tajuddin, Emma Towner, Jack Van Dyke, Kaylee Weibeld, Kimberly Wilkerson, Alton Ziegler. That concludes the principal's honor roll for all A's. Let's take a look at the AB honor roll, 6th grade. Emma Boutron Elfrank, Derek Cabre Herrera, Chaz Exum, Sebastian Fernandez, Dimitri Jinkis, Nephi Kelly, Shania Little, Alexa Lopez, Janiyah North, Joseph Orton, Lizelle Owino, Grace Panchat, Evelyn Priest, Micaiah Roberts, Brendan Roof, Janiah Subnet, Jacqueline Thomas, Dean Tubant, Aiden Weaver Hawkins, Jake Williams, Clark Wood. And for the 7th grade, Ava Alderson, Gavin Anderson, Delia Brock, Antonia DePat, Dallin DeLapp, William Dexter, Maggie Elkema, Thomas Esposito, Teddy Funston, Kevin Valencia, Taylor Garris, Eliza Gumlack, Braxton Gutierrez, Thomas Griffin, Elizabeth Hall, Anthony Jabber, Alexander Kalmadine, Austin Keinenberg, Elijah Lane, Jacob Leon, Brian Lewis, Nola Locke, Annalise McDaniel, Isabella Magaha, Camilla Melendez, Baden Morehouse, Olive Morris, Lexi Pollard, John Quinn, Jose Rivera, Christian Rodriguez, Janiah Smith, Tyson Smith, Macy Wolf. And for the 8th graders, Andrea Alvarez Rodriguez, Kelby Bogard, Victoria Bracey, Maddox Braxton, Riley Brewington, Eli Carrasco, Kylie Cruz, Julia Desjardins, Diego Gareg, Tristan Gobble, Kaido Goodfellow, Kaysen Gray, Emilio Grillo, Rowan Hamer, Juliana Innocenti, Gracelyn Kelsey, Carl Kook, Natalia Lopez, Benedict Morton, Joyce Mucheka, Tara Perry, Everett Priest, Sophia Reed, Orion Sostar, Kayla Steinley, Seren Sparling, Jaden Stokes, Javion Taylor, Tanner Tolman, Cara Vogelpaul, and Avia Woodward. Want to congratulate all of our students once again on their excellent work. And this is our last honor roll reading for the school year, and we will send home certificates for quarter 4. All right, thank you.
The Vicenza Middle School staff, parents, and students are greatly appreciated. We congratulate everybody at Vicenza Middle School for going the extra mile to maintain all A's for the Principal Honor Roll and all A's and B's for the Honor Roll.